Hello there guys, it's Joel here, aka Gallucks. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today joined by Scott, because we have some very, very exciting news. We have bought a house. Yeah, we got the keys yesterday. This is our first time looking around. So we just want to show you guys the empty shell of the house. Obviously it's quite a big deal for us. I'm pretty excited. So yeah, welcome to our house. Obviously we're getting it redecorated and lots of stuff being done to it, so we thought I'd show you the journey and the process of what's happening and hope you enjoy. Okay, so we come in and this is the little hallway bit. On the right, this is the lounge.
So, I mean, we're getting new wood floor throughout, which we already purchased, and the whole thing painted white.
Yes.
All wallpaper is going to go, a shelving unit built in as well.
This is the dining room, which we are going to, again, the same wood floor and then paint white, maybe change the fireplace with the tiles. So this is the basement.
Yeah, well, it was a second bathroom.
Yeah, we need to get this room damp proofed.
Yeah, just make sure it's all fine. So I'm gonna have like my desk and like gaming stuff down here. But yeah, it needs to get all the new lighting and stuff because the lighting's not very good.
Kitchen. So yeah, we need, you know, everything's being ripped out anyway, so it doesn't matter that it's so dirty. We don't know what we're fully going to do with the kitchen yet really, but we've got ideas. But the kitchen stuff will come later. And for the first time, me and Scott in London have
a garden,
which we're very excited to be using. This will be the master bedroom. Can't wait to just transform it completely, like get rid of the net curtains, put the wood floor down in here, get it painted, get some furniture and stuff. This is going to be my office space dressing room in here. I'm very excited about because it's actually a lot bigger than I thought it would be. And we love the high ceilings just throughout the house. And then this is the bathroom, which we're not gonna do anything to for now, unfortunately. So that is the empty shell. We're gonna come back in a couple of days to get the work started, flooring delivered and all that kind of stuff. And then it's all go, go, go. But honestly, this has probably been the most stressful thing I've ever done. Do you think it's the most stressful thing you've ever done?
Oh, definitely.
One of. But we're so excited to, you know, start this journey. Hello there guys, we are back at the house. We are waiting for the flooring to be delivered today because we're getting new wood flooring put throughout the whole house. So just waiting for that delivery. There's a 4-hour time slot. It's been about 2 hours now, so hopefully it'll be here soon. Scott's gone to get cleaning supplies because we're going to clean the whole house. We're going to try and clean as much of the house as possible, and we're going to get some McDonald's again because there ain't no oven in the kitchen. There's literally nothing. It's the bare bones of the house at the moment. So, as you can see, the painting has gotten started in here. Well, it's been primed and getting prepped because basically there's a lot of like holes in the walls that need filling in and stuff like that. There's a bit on the ceiling as well that needed sanding down and refilling in. So that's all happening. I've had homeware bits on my channel before where I've kind of like shown you my bedroom or shown you my new apartment and stuff like that, but this is another level. I do want to hear your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. Let me know if there's something you want to see more of. Obviously I'm going to do this will be a whole vlog about the whole house up until we move in. So I hope that you enjoy it. Completely understand if it's not your thing as well, but it's a big part of my life at the moment and it's hard to avoid, and I can't really film anything else in the space. It's on my phone, so I'm like looking over there when I should be looking here. We've just ordered McDonald's, haven't we? Mm-hmm. Scott cleaning the top of the kitchen cupboards.
Disgusting.
They were really gross. Hello there guys, it is Wednesday and we move out on Saturday, so this afternoon I'm sorting out my wardrobe. I have to be very cutthroat because I don't have as much space in the new place. Even though the house is bigger, it doesn't have a lot of storage at the moment anyway. So I feel like I have to really like cut down on my wardrobe. I didn't actually get my hair cut that long ago, but it's already pissing me off. So I think I need to cut again soon, but there's too much to do at the moment to worry about getting a haircut. So that is 2 bags full. I can definitely fill up more from the other rooms, so I'm gonna go do that now. By the way, if you are interested in buying any of these secondhand pieces from my wardrobe, they're available on eBloggers. There is a link in the description box below. And if you want to be like the first one on when these ones go up, because there's only one of everything, I always post on my Instagram story when new pieces go up. So definitely make sure you're following me on Instagram with notifications turned on for my story and my posts so you can see when these are available to buy. Hey guys, sorry this vlog is so all over the place. It is Friday, it's our last day in this apartment. So I'm nearly done. I have to take these shelves down. I have to wrap up my Monstera plant. Yeah, it's a pretty sad day. Exciting but sad. One last thing that I'm gonna do is take one last selfie in this mirror, because I feel like I've been taking pictures in this mirror for 2 years in this exact spot, and I just wanna like have some closure on that. It's weird to say. Good morning guys, it's moving day. It feels like we're going on holiday, but with everything we own. So we're nearly packed now. Scott's gone to get the parking permit for the removal van, and I'm just doing last minute stuff. As you can see, my office is dismantled. We did all this last night. Well, the bulk of our stuff is mainly in the lounge. We didn't really know what to do with the sofa. It comes in, we've taken it in half, but we need to like figure everything else out. So yeah, big day ahead. Very exciting, but also very nerve-wracking. It's gonna feel so weird to be in our own house. Feels really strange to say that. We ran out of the packing tape from the removal company, so we had to switch to Arcana tape. Yeah. I've just made us our last breakfast and we're nearly ready. Guys, the movers are here now. I'm on the balcony. Well, they're coming up. Scones. So Scott's just gone to get the movers and help them get parked down the road. It's a bit of a complex scenario here. This is the last time I'll see this view, so just want to take it all in and remember it. That crane has been there since we moved in. But yeah. So one removal van is here with one removal person, but we're waiting for another van apparently with 3 removal people, because I don't think one person is enough for all of this.
Yeah.
Boop. Okay, so everything is out. I feel like I look rough. I did wake up at 5:30, to be fair.
Even earlier for me.
Mm-hmm. But yeah, it's empty now. I've lived here for 2 years, which is crazy. A lot of memories in this place. Mainly
of COVID.
Mainly the pandemic. The removal guys are heading to the new house and we're going to follow them with the girls in tow. Put the girls in a little carry case. They seem to be quite chill. We tried to get a bigger one, but it was too big and it just felt like another cage. But it's only a short trip, so hopefully they're okay. We've got some like watery treats for them, like some fruit and carrots and stuff, so they can stay hydrated.